Hello, clever cubs! Are you ready for a space adventure? Let's blast off and visit all the planets in our solar system.
Let's start meeting the planets.
One by one.
This is Sun.
So big and bright. It gives us warm and lovely light. Mercury is tiny, close to the sun. Zooming around, it's planet number 1. Venus is hot and full of shine. She glows like a star, but she is a planet so fine. Our home is Earth, blue, green and round, with trees and ocean and life all around. Mars is red with dusty brown. Robots roll and rocks are found.
Let's repeat.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars.
Spinning around like a dancing stars.
Jupiter is big, the biggest of all, with spinning storms and a giant ball. Saturn wears rings, shiny and wide. Uranus spins on its side. Oh wow! It's icy, cold and dreamy now. Neptune is last and full of blue. It's far away but cool like you.
Let's repeat and shout their name. Learning planets is fun like game.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn with shiny stars. Uranus, Neptune, big and blue.
Planets are so fun for you.
Great job, space explorers! If you like our video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Clever Cubs!